Good morning, my friend. We are here in this nice place in a test bench. At first, I apologize for my poor English, but I will try my best. We are in a Mengoni Service garage. It's a company that is dedicated to the tuning of the engine. In this case, we are speaking about Fiat 500 Abarth, Fiat 500 Abarth. For 500 Abarth, as a Mitsubishi, with Mitsubishi turbocharger, we develop one kit is a SFM230. The SFM230 is a turbocharger TD04L equipped with a open downpipe, and we provide injectors and all the components for the easy installation. I show to you what Mengoni Service did on this car. They are specialized in the tuning of this car. They are installing the Borg kit for intercooler, large intercooler. They replace the two small intercooler, and we put one front side. It's a large type. And they install the Mitsubishi turbocharger with all the components. Of course, they readjust completely the setting of the engine, so the ECU is completely revised. And later we will show to you the result of this performance kit that is up than 230 horsepower. We don't know now how many it will be produced by this engine today. We will show to you later. I would like to introduce also Alessandro. We work together, and the target is not only to develop the SFM230, but we would like to in the future show to you the 290, the Garrett GT2860, and the many other turbochargers that are installed on this engine to reach from maybe 200 horsepower up to the 350, 400. This is the big range of turbocharger we will provide. So we start from Garrett 1446 for the low performance. I mean, low is 200 and 220 horsepower. We move to Mitsubishi TD04L for 230 horsepower, and TD04HL Mitsubishi for 290, more or less. And up we will move with the Garrett Performance GT2860, GT2867. Okay, so thank you very much. We will show to you later. Alessandro, let's go.